Hey everybody, it's Hunter Snow with Hipe Lyfe FPV, and I'm here to show you how to improve your time on the DCL racing game. Now, I know my times aren't the best, but I'm working on it, trying to get better. I doubt I can get into the top 200 for the invite, but maybe one of you can using some of these tips that I've learned as I've played this game. So let's get started on the video. Alright guys, so let me turn down their volume a little. It's a pretty loud game. Alright, so let's get started on these tips. Actually, let's just jump into a free flight mode real quick, and we'll go at the lax. Alright guys, so first things first, I recommend getting over to the freestyle play. Don't put yourself in a race if you're not comfortable. Obviously a lot of you are going to be comfortable if you're watching this video, but free play just gives you more stick time, lets you be a little better pilot, and mainly get used to the vision of the game and how the mechanics of each drone works. And obviously there's only one drone if you want to play for qualifiers. But I don't know what your plans are with it. I don't think I'll get to the top 200, so I just have my own personal goal, which I think is in the top like 350 as where I want to be. But my first thing is I always just start messing around and just having fun, really. It's a fun game. I do have one pet peeve though. It seems like none of the games really get gravity right. Like, let me cut my throttle. See how slow I'm falling that is. Now, I don't know if there's a setting for that, but you guys let me know what you think. But let's go ahead and jump into a race, and I can explain what I feel can help you with your times. So we'll kind of take this a little slow. I'm just trying to show you. So right here, there's this big drop. All this gravity time is going to slow your time down. And the most annoying one is probably right here. Coming, let me show you a better angle. Right up and over this. You come up and then you got to float down. So what I found works best for me, and hopefully you, is come over, flip forward, smack it, and you're back down. Obviously I overcompensated there. But that little forward hit like that and back just really helps. If you're waiting on gravity in this game, you're going to be wasting a lot of time. So don't wait on gravity, guys. That's the main thing there. The next thing that I think is very important is to just play with that FPV angle. Like right here, it's very important. Mine, I don't know why, it just feels better on 46. That's my FPV camera angle. I don't know what my actual drone is. I got it loose so I can adjust it as I'm like throughout the day, but that's just what I like personally. shoot. That's going to be a good lap. So another thing I've noticed is don't let the other racing like drone bots in there throw you off. It's really easy to get caught up in, oh, I've got to catch them, and it just throws you off. See how I didn't let gravity wait there? I just got my props facing down. As you can see, I'm ranked 480, 16 days left. Really the best way to do this, or if you're trying to get in the top 200, good for you. You just got to practice every day. You got to be flying for an hour, 2 hours every day if you want to see that progress and actually move up in the leaderboards. I mean, I feel like my times are decent and I'm not even close, like, but who knows how many people have been playing this game. But if you're just trying to improve your times, I would suggest don't let gravity dictate the your falls. So right here, I'm not going to be flying or anything, but my next piece of advice is if you really struggle with one part of a race, just go into free play mode, or even just in the race, just stop and do that same section over and over again. This is my hardest one for sure. You see how coming through there I always seem to crash, so I'll just go ahead and reset, and then I'll go back a little bit, come through, and work on getting through that pipe the best I can. It takes a few tries. I just reset there, but I'll just go fly over to it. So I know I come under this bridge and up and in. I mean, obviously that's not that clean, but that's what I'm practicing that. So I've practiced this first section quite a bit, so you maybe will see that I've got this first little part down pretty good. Like, I hit the roof there, but you can see that just repetition on one specific part really helps. And if you're like me, whenever you crash, you just reset real quick. And you forget that there's an entire back half of the race. Like, that's just half of it. After that, you've got to come through this pylon, through this one, all the way around here and do all this stuff. So if you just keep backing out without practicing this stuff or just finishing the race, then when you get here finally fast, you've got no clue what to do. So I would just finish the entire race if you're really looking to improve and practice. So just fight through the crashes. I know it sucks to just keep going when you see your time getting up there that high, but crash like that, figure out how to keep it going. And don't get discouraged by the bot drones. They are fast and don't really make mistakes like we do. So it's important to become familiar with all parts of the race. See, I'm definitely not as used to out here because I always back out when I crash. Even if it disqualifies your score, it's better to finish out so you can get that muscle memory or the memory of the map. And see, that was 126. My best is like 113, I think. But the good thing is I got to see the rest of the map again while I'm going through pylons. So that's the best thing you can do in that aspect, Yeah, there's my personal best, 113.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, link videos of your times, or just tell me your times that you've run. I'd like to see those because it's pretty impressive if you are running as fast as that high score. So let me know your times, and there's like 16 days left in the competition. Good luck. I hope you make the invite cut. Again, I don't think I'll make it. I've been flying for a month, maybe 2. So definitely won't get to the top 200, but I'd like to know if you guys are there. Let me know where your standing is. But thanks guys. See you next week.